Okay, we have a P1S here. My main problem is I have filament stuck in the hub, the filament hub that's underneath this right here. So the first thing you got to do is remove these two screws with the hex here and here. Then you're going to pull this up and out. I'm going to pull this up and out right here, just like this. And there's two wires right here. Right here is the filament hub right here that the four hoses are connected to. And you got to disattach all four hoses. By doing that, you got to press down on that and pull out on that one, that one, that one, and that one, all four. Self-explanatory which holes they go in right here. I wouldn't really get nervous and intimidated, but there's screws right here that you got to take out. They're metal screws. I already started them already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's 4 black screws. One here, here, right here, and right here. You take out. And then this will pop right up, just like this. Once that, you got to disattach. There's a seam right here. You can see it goes all the way and it splits in half. But be careful with these 4 right here, because they'll fall right out. They're the bearings. Good. Nice and easy. Just like that. Then lay it flat and pop it up. It'll pop up just like that. So my main problem, I thought I had filament stuck in here. But what ended up happening is this tooth. These are magnets. 1, 2, 3, 4 magnets. And they're pushed up by springs to cause a little friction on that so it could push out. Well, what ended up happening is this popped all the way up and it wouldn't allow filament to feed in. So I thought it was stuck. So the top of my AMS was blinking red. So you take it all up, and to redo this right here, oh, no worries, you know how to put it back in. And to redo these 4 pins right here, there's springs pushing up on them. You have to flip over and take 3 screws out. There's one here, one right here, and one right here. Well, hold pressure down because these springs are going to want to pop right up. So make sure you hold that pressure down on here and do it slowly, and slowly put your thumb over it. I'm not doing it right now because I just went through that and it was a pain. We got it though. So now we got to put it back together. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these, we'll seat right in here. Close that down, sandwich it a little bit. Hang on a second. They're still good. Sandwich it. 1. The black facing out. 2. 3. Okay, 4. Nice, and it'll click right in. Hear that click? That's what you want to hear. We're not going to go through a crazy process, but I'm going to save you guys the hassle, and I'm going to do these quickly. Well, you got to install these screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here, and that'll sandwich those back together. Let me tighten these last 2 right here. Alright, now we got to reinstall our AMS. Going first, just got to connect these into right here and here. So the best thing is to get our Allen again. Small or big. Make sure you know which ones are which, don't cross them. This one's pretty simple. The other one's a little bit tricky though. Light definitely helps. So clicks. And 1, 2. Okay. Now remember we had a screw in here. Back in here. AMS back in. And pull. That'll line up with that. And then we're going to put our screw there and there. Okay, now we want to reconnect our tube from here into here. We're going to press on these again, push it in there until it connects. Beautiful. Now we could reconnect our power. Here to here. And we should be set. Okay, And then we make sure we have white, white, white. This is the one that was showing me a red. So I'm going to make sure it clears up on that. Looking good. Last time I was instantly red after a couple blinks. I'm thinking we're kosher right now, fellas and ladies. This is a little dry. I'm really worried about that stuff. You can feel how dry it is. So brittle. Last one, baby. It's a little bit of white. It's going to load up just nice. And what better test print than a fat Pikachu? Let's print this baby. So we got, oh hold on, GG's.
We're gonna go outside and make this look.
Okay, let's run it. 3, 4, 2, 1. 3, 4, 2, 1, okay. Let's go, baby. I'll give you an update.